Hello, I am John,
And I'm Nancy.
and
And
we
we
are
are
J&N
J&N
Travels.
Travels. We drove from New Hampshire to Florida to Snowbird for the first time and would like to share our tips and advice from our 3 months down south.
In this episode of Snowbird 1.0, we are talking about packing.
Yes, the
We
dreaded packing.
we did a 3-month snowbirding venture, and
Yeah,
for it we packed. We actually it turned out we packed very appropriately.
yeah, we did.
Um,
Yep, we really did. Yeah.
we packed two big suitcases.
Mhm.
We did your famous medicine bag.
I did all that.
We did another bag which was odds and ends stuff.
Hmm.
Then we had our two children's suitcases in there because they
Yeah,
were flying down.
yeah, they came for 2 weeks in January.
Right.
So when they left their extra stuff. So we said we take it home.
And then we packed two boxes of food, nothing perishable.
No.
So I don't know. So breaking it down, clothes wise, one of the reasons we were able to get away with clothes is that we had 9 out of 12 weeks we had a washer dryer in
Yeah,
the
we
unit.
we didn't know this prior, so we did pack extra. Like I packed a lot of extra socks because I didn't know we were going to have a washer dryer. And I think I brought a little bit too many pants. I didn't really need as many pants as I brought.
Looking at everything, that was the one thing I brought 4 pairs of pants. I needed really none, but
Yeah,
I will bring two next time, one pair of
yeah,
jeans and
I'll
one pair
bring
of dress
I'll
pants.
bring less as well.
Dress shirts, didn't wear any, but I'll probably throw one in next time.
Yeah,
And other than that, basically everything we brought
yeah,
was fine, right?
yeah, yeah. I think we did really well, other than the pants.
The things we left behind, which were just kind of incidental stuff, which I would probably throw in the car next time, would be a basketball,
Yeah,
pickleball set,
tennis ball would
tennis
be good too.
balls, and a golf putter.
Yeah, that would be good too. Yeah,
None of those were
available
urgent,
for us. So.
but to get them, you had to walk to get them, and then you're on the time limit. So
Yeah, and you had to pay for the tennis balls.
you have to actually
Yeah,
buy those,
so
right?
that you had to purchase. Yeah.
So those are the only things I would throw in. We didn't bring any toys. I
No.
might throw a couple noodles in next time just to
Yeah,
float in the pool, that type of thing.
but
Food wise, we actually went a little overboard, we thought, but we used it all. We brought some spices,
yeah, we
and
use those.
which we ended up buying fresh meat at at the
Walmart,
store, yeah, and we would spice them up, and a lot of canned stuff, some canned meals, a lot
tuna
of
fish,
snacks.
that type.
Tuna was a big one for
Yeah,
us,
tuna.
and that was about it. So we loaded up the Subaru,
And you did
and
bring those ramen noodles or ramen
right, the
noodles.
soup,
Yeah.
yeah, a lot of the soup items. So we load the car up, and that's one of the things I highly recommend for anyone going for long periods of time is drive to where you're going, because we treated our car basically like a big locker and just
Yeah.
loaded it down with all sorts of
Oh,
stuff.
yeah. You couldn't fit anybody in the back seat there.
No, and I just can't picture how we could fly with even a
Yeah, there's
tenth
a
of the
lot
stuff
of
we brought
stuff.
down.
I know. That would be tricky.
Right. So that's our advice on packing.
And remember, stay young and have fun.